What do I always say? Let's open another box. Now this one's kind of fun. Last Friday, if you've not already, you might want to subscribe, because I do a lot of this unboxing Amazon stuff. That's my jam. All right. So the next one is kind of in line with something that we've worked with recently. It's a bigger box, and it comes to us from Wintemp. Wintemp. Look at the side of that box. Wintemp has sent us a propane-fired portable water heater. And this one's unique in that it doesn't take a big 20-pound bottle. It works off the greenie bottles, the 1 pound. It's well packaged. Let's see how we're gonna get it out.
This would make a great gift for the person in your family that camps. Or, in case you need to have emergency backup if the power goes
out. We have a collection of hosing. You hoser, you. Shower head. It's got a plug in it. More hosing. That would be a pump right there. That means we're totally off grid if it has a built-in pump. Shower nozzle holder. Regulator. I already know where I'm gonna go with this. And then we have a power supply, a 110 brick. And we're gonna be off-grid showering. Check that out right there. All we need is a power supply. So let me do my homework. Means I gotta read this little book, figure out. We have hot water! The off-grid shower is ready to go. Turn it on the power. Turn on the water. Got full battery. Got a bucket of water. We're set at 104. We're going to take it up. It's 109. Now the document says it will not heat water below like 72 degrees, but this gets pretty dang hot. It takes it a minute. And it seems to go through the bucket pretty quick. But that's enough water to take a shower, and you can pause and then soap up, and then it reignites. Yep, nice and hot. That's pretty cool. You could probably drop that little, although I wouldn't recommend it, but you could drop that straight into a large body of water and take a shower. But you're probably going to want to put a filter on the end of it so that it doesn't. Yeah. The Wintemp portable off-grid shower. This thing is awesome. You can take a hot shower no matter where you are. It has an onboard battery. It uses a greenie bottle, so you can fill that up. You can get a greenie bottle at any store. You can charge it from your car or from your solar generator. All you need is a bucket of water. That's incredible. You need one. All right, we're moving right along.